Down in Livingston, down in Livingston, I and I hear la 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 la. I and I hear la 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 la. Don't mind Livingston. Don't mind Livingston. I and I hear la 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 la. I and I hear la 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 la. Going down Bremen Road, going down Bremen Road, going down Bremen Road. I can't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Going down Harrow Road, going down Robinson Road, going down to Michael Road. I can't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Don't lick nobody. Bullfrog dressed up in soldier clothes went to the river to shoot some crows. Crows smell fire and they all fly away, Lord. Bullfrog get vexed and he cry all day. Bullfrog dressed up in soldier clothes went to the river to shoot some crows. Crows smell fire and they all fly away, Lord. Bullfrog get vexed and he cry all day. Do a nanny, do a nanny, do a nanny, how you do? Yeah, do a nanny, do. Do a nanny, do a nanny, do a nanny, how you do? Yeah, do a nanny, do. A nanny went to New Orleans, all she ate was pork and bean. Yeah, do a nanny, do. A nanny went to Montserrat, there a nanny skinned that cat. Yeah, do a nanny, do. Do a nanny, do a nanny, do a nanny, how you do? Yeah, do a nanny, do. Do a nanny, do a nanny, do a nanny, how you do? Yeah, do a nanny, do. Going down Bremen Road, going down Bremen Road, going down Bremen Road, I can't lick nobody. Don't 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 lick nobody. I ain't gonna lick nobody. I ain't gonna lick nobody. I ain't gonna lick nobody. Cause I got guinea corn hominy. Yes indeed. Stew shad and Johnny cake. Guinea corn hominy and lad, you must get some of that. Listen, I watch these fellas coming around here ordering these big time rich they talking but steak and all them kind of thing and thing like that. Well, let me tell you, I know them long time. I know when they used to go in the bush, catch a couple of crab, carry it home, get out the old iron pot in the back.